So my greetings to all my dear viewers. I am very happy always to be with you for few minutes, maybe for 5 to 10 minutes. I am expressing my thoughts and feelings to you and I am helping you to express it. Suppose we are in the bank and we like to withdraw some amount. So what can we say? So it is always polite to ask the receptionist about it. Excuse me, madam. We always say that. Excuse me, madam. I would like to withdraw an amount of 5,000 rupees. What can I do? Or what should I do? So we have to ask in a polite way to the receptionist, who may be happy to answer when we ask in a simple and polite way like this. No, excuse me, madam. I would like to withdraw an amount of 5,000 rupees. What should I do for it? So, our need is to get an amount of 5,000 rupees. Maybe I am new to the bank. I have not ever gone to the bank maybe. I don't usually go to the bank. Not very often. Maybe once or twice I had been to the bank and I do not know the actual procedure in the bank. So, in that way, we look around everywhere to find out what should be done or what must be done. So, in order to satisfy our need, that is, my need is to withdraw an amount. So, I asked the receptionist what best can be done or what should I do, what must I do? We ask, no? Then the answer may be, you have to fill in the withdrawal form. Then we can again ask, may I have a withdrawal form? So there are polite sentences like this, can I have, may I have? So this will be also politely answered. All of us know the fact that when we ask something politely, very gently, very softly also, the answer also may be in the same way. So we can just ask, shall I have a withdrawal form? So there will be a person to say, please go to that counter number 2. There is a lady, there is a staff who will be there to answer you, or she will be there to give you what is needed for you. So my need is that to get an amount of 5,000 rupees. And I am a person who doesn't know about the procedure in the bank. So when I put forth this question to the receptionist or to any other staff there, the staff will be in a position to guide me. So the staff will politely say, when we ask politely, can I have a withdrawal form or what can I do to get this amount? There will be an answer, a proper answer from the other person. Please go to the counter number 2. There will be a staff to give you what is needed for you. So it is up to us to go to that staff and ask, shall I get a withdrawal form? So the withdrawal form may be handed over to you and now you are in a position to fill in the form. So to fill in the details, maybe when you are not knowing the particulars, what best should be written, what must be filled in. Now again you are in a position to ask one of the staff to know what can be done there, what should be done there, what must be done in that form. So the need is always expressed with the words like this, no? What should I do? What must be done? So must and should are always expressing the need. Suppose we need to go to the hospital and we have to consult a doctor. Suppose there is a wound in the hand, because when we are cutting something, the branch or removing a plant from the garden, and your hand has got a wound and you are now in a position to go to the doctor. You have to go to the doctor. You must go to the doctor. You should be at the hospital for getting injected So these are all certain needs, and we can always express these needs with the words like this. I should do it. We know what we have to do from morning till evening. I should get ready to go outside, to go to the bank maybe. When I am working in a bank, I have to be there in the bank at the proper time. So I have to go. I must go. I must reach the bank in time. I should be in the bank before 10 o'clock. So, all these are the sentences which express the needs, which we are using to express the needs. I have to go, I must go, I should go, I have to do it. So, these are the sentences. It can be expressed in different ways. No? So, in that way only, when we go to the bank for getting a withdrawal form, we have to ask in a polite way, can I have a withdrawal form? Why? Because I am in need of it. I have to get it because I am in need of withdrawing an amount of 5,000 rupees. That is my need now. So we have to ask that to a staff, my need is there. So I have to express my need in a very polite way, with civility, in a good mannered way, as a well mannered person. I have to ask, shall I get the withdrawal form? So we can ask the staff, what can I write here? So the staff may answer, it is your address. And maybe sometime we may have to show either the PAN card or the driving license or the author card. Everybody knows about it. One of these should be there with us in order to get anything to be done in a bank. So we should take all these with us. It is a must. It is a need. It is a need of the hour. So there are certain sentences which are expressed with words like this. I should do it. I must do it. I have to do it because there is a necessity. So when there is a necessity, when there is a need, we use all these words. No? These auxiliaries are used in this way. We shall do another video about the auxiliaries. There are many auxiliaries. So these words should, must and all are auxiliaries which are always expressed, which are always used in order to express the needs. So in this way we will go for more and more videos so that we will be able to express our needs in a good way, in a polite way, in a perfect way, so that our needs will be fulfilled, and we will be also very happy to call ourselves as people having good spoken English. So thank you. Bye for today.